Yo. This is the first part that I buy for the Slash that I just got. Whoa, there you go. 8 arms, RPM 8 arms. New. Gonna install these right now. Hope make this car look good, you know. Gotta have it running soon. Especially in this weather, gotta have 4x4. In the snow you enter. Whew. It's a must. Super simple since I don't have nothing in. Just pop it in and pop it out. Easiest upgrade I could do right now. It's super easy. These are RPMs. So if you're gonna upgrade the right way. There you go. That's for that. That's for the 8 arms for now. I also have some spare shocks laying around. This car's not gonna be the best, but it's gonna be something, you know. Don't want to spend too much money. If I break something, I'll upgrade it. But if I have the parts laying around, might as well just use those. I have tons of parts. Let's see. I believe I have some screws on here. Let's lower this a little bit for you guys. Next is the other shock. Whoop. New 8 arm, I have to thread in the shock hole. It'll be a little hard, but once you get it going, it'll stay in there good. And there you go. Upgrade 1 and 2. Shocks and 8 arms. For the 4x4 Slash. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go out and get the what? I'm gonna go get the drive shaft. I believe I have some of these drive shafts, or these whatever you want to call them. I believe I have a few of them laying around. Put that, and then I'm going to go out and get the caster block and the steering. And watch. Stay tuned, guys.